I've met with probably 100 or more different law firms, sometimes the entire firm, sometimes management committees, also with a lot of general counsel. And I keep telling them, you all made partner after 5, 6 years. The genetic pool of the United States and around the world hasn't gotten worse. There's no reason you're doing these very capable lawyers. Bob Raven, our former chair at Morrison Foerster, later became president of American Bar, used to say, we ought to make them partner after 3 years or so. We know if they're not going to make partner, we're not sure why are they still here. They're doing major work for our clients. He also would say, I want them to have a commitment to this firm. And I think that's true. And clients see it. They see a significant difference between those who are acting like employees and don't particularly care versus someone who really does seem to care. When I became general counsel at Stanford, many of you know, I moved all of our work to 3 major law firms, virtually all of our work. We reduced our in-house staff from 27 to 5. And we moved virtually all of our work to fixed pricing of 3 firms. And I told the firms, I want your on-track associates on our matters. So we had 2nd, 3rd, 4th year associates who were doing partner level work. I saw it. My clients, our internal clients, Gerhard Casper, our president, Condi Rice, our provost, they loved working with these younger people. And in my meetings with law firms, I also would see a difference, particularly at the regional, super regional law firms based of all things in Jackson, Mississippi, Butler Snow, or Oklahoma City. These regional, super regional firms still had a culture where the associates were the future of the firm. At one firm, when I met with them, I met with the partners in the morning, but then they had me meet with the associates, and the chairman said to them, look, Mike's telling you what he thinks is the future of legal practice, and we agree. But it doesn't matter what we partners think. The future of the firm is you. And so we're going to leave the room and you talk with him. What I saw was an extraordinary group of capable 2nd, 3rd, 4th year associates for whom this was the future. And as a client, I would see that different attitude as well. So I think we really do know who's capable. It gives them a much greater sense of this is their firm, they're going to do it. Now, on the management side of a law firm, it's ideal because now you've got a variable compensation factor built into your overhead. Instead of the entire fixed pricing of your associates, sure, for your younger partners, you're going to probably give them a guaranteed minimum compensation, but they're going to realize some part of it, maybe an increasing part of it as they stay on at the firm, is going to be variable. And so now you've got a much better situation of managing that budget for the firm. And you also have the junior partners realizing, wow, it's not just turning in hours. We've got to make sure this firm is really functioning. It's viable. It's a place I want to spend my career. So by moving to bringing that time to partnership down, I think it changes the dynamic dramatically.